Yo, what's up, squad? We back at it with another video. We got another CCTV footage, doorbell camera, and I got something to say for a little bit, right? So I've been doing YouTube for like a month now. It's gonna be like what? However long since my first video came out. 3 months, 2 months. I'm consistent. I'm probably not popping in the YouTube algorithm like everybody else. I'm probably not gonna be popping a month from now, 2 years from now, 3 years, 4, however long, you know what I'm saying? But I try and I try and I try. And that's what nobody can take away from me. Even though I don't get views like that, I don't really care about the views. I don't care about the likes. The first time I started my YouTube channel, which going on a month now, I said I done YouTube because I like uploading. And now when you really like a full-on YouTuber, you don't even watch YouTube videos. Before I was doing this, I was watching people on YouTube. Bro, I promise, bro. I don't even watch people on YouTube no more. I'm just like that now. It's not that I feel big-headed and all that. It's just, bro, I'm a full YouTuber now. This basically like a job, but except I don't get paid for it because I don't reach the requirements yet. But I promise, don't get it messed up. I'ma try, and I'm probably gonna fail at it, but I'ma keep trying, and that's what nobody can take away from me. Hey, but anyway, anybody that sit up here and talk negative on me and say all this, what is you doing? What is you doing that's better than me? What is you doing that I ain't doing? Except for you ain't uploading no videos. You commenting and watching my videos. I don't understand it. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get into this video. If you don't, like I always say, if you don't rock with my channel, if you don't like my videos, don't watch me. Go watch somebody else. Go watch the original video. You know, so hey, that's all I got to say. You know what I'm saying? I don't really got much to say. I'm putting my heart on I'm putting everything that I feel on the table right now, cause I got no regrets. I don't got nothing to worry about. I'm not apologetic. I'm unbiased. I'm unapologetic when it comes to how I feel. Anybody don't rock with that, F you. You know what I'm saying? Hey, but let's get into this video though. That's all I want to say. How about you go get you some money? How about you go take care of your family?
Charger stopped in the middle of the road and started yelling at the neighbors.
Shoot. They must got it in for dude that was walking that street. I swear, how you live in something like this? I swear, this gotta be like down south. It's a lot of houses that low-key look like this. I ain't gonna say it's probably like Louisiana or something. El Paso, Texas. I don't know. Shooting captured on camera. Shoot. Somebody finna get smoked. God damn. You see what I be saying? It be people like this that just drive around looking for an easy lick, looking for somebody to just they be looking for somebody that's looking at them the wrong way so they can go off on them or catch a body. I promise that I don't be understanding that, bro. And I be when you live in these like certain areas and poverty and all that in these certain hoods. I hate saying poverty, but say like certain hoods, bro. It's just better to mind your business, bro, and stay out the way. It ain't nothing wrong with staying in the house. I promise that. People like to say, "Oh, what's something wrong if you stay in the house?" Nah, it ain't nothing wrong. That's the best thing for you. I promise. Look at what just happened. Dude did a whole shootout at a woman's crib because she told him to get on somewhere. Now these dumb idiots in this Dodge Charger is gonna get arrested. I promise. And it's caught on doorbell camera.
The neighbors took out their guns and opened fire into the air. The three men stayed in their car and escaped.
Oh, okay. Hey, W neighbors. That's what I'm talking about. I like that. W neighbors. I thought it was a dude in a Dodge Charger. Hey, I spoke too soon. Hey, that's some W neighbors right there. They was not playing.
A man in Phoenix, Arizona captured the shocking moment in which a man crept into his car during the night. Unfortunately, the thief was able to take a few things from the car and get
If you seen this on your doorbell camera, right? Because you gonna get that motion detected on your phone. It's literally gonna play loud at night. Like if somebody is close to your property or at your door or like near your cars, it's gonna give you a notification saying somebody is by your property. Like, come on now, and you literally this. Let me tell you, the owner of them cars had literally was on the phone and he was looking at dude going through his car. But instead of going out there and going and confront the person, he sit up there and just watched on his phone. Even if it ain't nothing in your car, or even if he did steal a little bit of your possession, why not go out there? That's your property. That's your car. But you sitting up here letting this man go through your car like that. I don't understand it.
away scot-free. Let's just hope that the homeowner takes this as an indicator that he should probably make sure his vehicles are locked overnight.
That is, who leaves their car on? Who leaves their vehicles unlocked? This ain't what I remember when people used to do that in like what the early 2000s, in the 1990s. I swear, who still leaves their cars unlocked? Anybody that leave their cars unlocked and don't lock it, they just asking to get robbed. I promise that. I seen that firsthand. I promise, I seen that firsthand a lot of times. I seen people's cars get broke into. Promise that. Hey.
To prevent something like this from happening again. Over in Carson, California, a homeowner caught this creepy-looking woman approaching her front door, mumbling something inaudible before eventually meandering.
She trying to set bro up. Hey, she probably came over because she wants. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. How she know, dude? Bet that's her ex or something. She probably came over for some head. Hey.
Around the area.
Y'all know what they be saying? They be saying them girls that be low key crazy as hell, they get the most fire head. Got some wet ass. Got some wet ass coochie. You know what I'm saying?
A couple of things, including a sign. But it's
I ain't gonna lie, it's probably just some crazy ass girl that came out of nowhere though.
Confronted by a man on the sidewalk where they have.
She trying to set bro up. She hoping one of these dudes open the door so the people around the corner or somewhere or right behind that van come out and rush
an argument.
Promise it.
What, bitch? Shut the fuck up. You ain't no guy taking this, dog. You played it. You're a whore ass. You gave me a shit out of it.
I just don't get why would you come on my property with all that mess. Then you bringing your boyfriend around here too. Hey, I promise that. Hey, get away from my property. You coming right there by my doorbell, ringing my doorbell and by my door. And then your big boyfriend coming over here too. Hey,
You
no.
had a deadline, motherfucker. All them had a deadline. All the shit that they stole from God, bitch. That feature.
I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. Hey. The best thing for the homeowner to do is stay inside. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, bro. The best thing, I do not want to be involved in that. Just call the cops. I'm old. I don't want to get in trouble.
They got suffer forever, bitch. Like, yeah.
I'm young, but I'm old. I'm young, but I'm old. Old, but I'm young.
Fuck on that shit.
You know, another thing, I be hating, like, literally, at 1 o'clock, right? People be literally at 1 o'clock a.m. Who's up at 1 o'clock in the morning? Literally, somebody was screaming, right? Screaming to the top of their lungs, arguing with their dude outside. I'd be like, come on now, bro. I'm trying to sleep. I'm trying to rest. I'm young, but I'm old. But I don't be wanting to hear that. I be hating when people... I be hating also when car alarms go off. And I also be hating when them companies that be cutting the grass and stuff outside the yard and all that. I be hating that too. You could literally hit them a block down, like right there to like at another property, and then they be cutting grass loud and be come by your window waking you up. Promise, I'm old, man. Leave me alone.
The woman proceeds to walk off without any consequences, and her identity is still unknown. Sometimes, when you're drunk, you have absolutely no idea where you are or what you're doing. And that's definitely the kind of person that this woman is, as seen in this doorbell camera video. She stumbles up to this person's front door and waits around for a couple of moments before she ultimately gives up and wanders off without any sort of explanation.
Hey, people like that be out of their minds for real. Like, what's going on? Like,
this woman is, as seen in this doorbell camera video.
So her stomach, man.
Sort of An unlocked security door allows this thief easy access to this homeowner's place. He proceeds to kick...
And he got the pistol ready. And that's probably his homeboy right there, too, finna come in and rob the place, too.
...down the door. And to make matters...
Yep. There's more people coming over there.
Even worse, he is also armed. A group of his friends follow him inside the house, followed by a massive shootout.
Oh, yeah, the homeowner had a gun. It's finna be a shootout.
The suspects then flee the scene, and it's unknown what happened to any of these guys. But hopefully, they got
look. Yeah, they all running. The homeowner was not playing. Hey, you should know somebody that got a motorcycle probably got a gun inside their crib too. Hey.
And spent time behind bars.
Oh, scary ass. Y'all niggas didn't even rob nothing.
A homeowner in Rancho Cucamonga, California, was able to record this shocking incident on her doorbell camera in broad daylight. It's clear that these two aren't actually who they say they were.
So she said. So these two right here finna set this woman up. That's why I be saying women instincts, it don't be all the way up there. Sometimes, right? Women instincts don't always be up there, and you know it just be crazy to me how some women they be having open arms sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Like I just don't get it, bro. Like how y'all trust people so quick? I promise that. Now these dudes finna set her up. Probably finna rob or have some dudes or do something. Let me see. Ooh. She mad as hell now. Hey, I did not even think that was gonna happen. Somebody was gonna hit the back of her car. I thought. Let me see what's in there.
Thankfully, the woman was okay, and nothing dangerous came of the situation.
What's up with this intro, bro?
A man staring at this person's door with a suspicious expression. It turns out that he was trying to confront his neighbor about something, but little does he know, the neighbor wasn't even home. He proceeds to vandalize the man's property.
You know what a lot of people say? And sometimes I be kind of biased on this, and I be like, it got some truth to it, and it also don't got no truth to it. They be saying black people scary, right? Me being a black person myself, that's true, and sometimes it ain't true. You know what I'm saying? You just know. You could say that about a bunch of people, though. You could say that about white people. You could say that about Hispanic people. You could say that about Asian people. It's all type of people. It's scary people out there in the world. But the most I could say the most people that brings fear in people's heart is black people. But when you live in these certain areas, you just gotta stay to yourself. That's the best thing you can do. Stay to yourself. Mind your business. I promise that. Talk to the people that you know and that you cool with. But sometimes even the people that you know could be the ones that backstab you and hurt you. I promise that. I just feel like you just gotta have that instance. You gotta have, like, I promise, if you stereotype people, right? It'll save your life. I promise that. Look at low key. Everybody out here is weird. I'm keeping it real. Ain't nobody's righteous. Ain't nobody's better than nobody. If you stereotype everybody, it'll save your life. If somebody say hey to you, don't even speak to them. Don't even say hey. I know it's gonna sound like an asshole, but I promise it probably will save your life. Keeping it real. Imagine you waving back and trying to say hey, then that person just want to fuck with you now. Every day he see you outside, he gonna try to talk to you. It'll save your life, bro.
Doormat, strangely enough.
Look at this weirdo.
People to be on.
Bro, what the bro?
Look out for this
Nah.
More than a little suspicious outside this person's door. It's clear that he's after something. As for what that is, we aren't exactly sure. He paces the area, looks around frantically, and the video abruptly ends.
Alright, y'all, that's the end of the video. Till next time.